What if I told you that AI can help you make money online in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, AI offers easy ways to earn passive income. Stay till the end for a bonus strategy that can make you $500 plus per month. Alright, let's dive in. Way number 1, AI content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT can write your blog posts, Pictory AI can generate YouTube videos, and Canva AI can design your social media posts. Imagine the content you can create without lifting a finger. Here's how to get started. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts, Pictory AI to turn text into videos, and monetize it all with YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Potential earnings? We're talking $500 to $5,000 a month. Way number 2, AI-powered freelancing. Freelancers are cashing in using AI. Offer services like AI-powered copywriting, video editing, and logo design on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The best AI tools for freelancers: Grammarly AI for fixing grammar, Jasper AI for copywriting, and Runway ML for video editing and special effects. Potential earnings here: $1,000 plus per month. Way number 3, AI affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a breeze with AI. AI tools can write product reviews, create social media ads, and automate marketing to generate passive income. How to get started? Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon or Hostinger, use ChatGPT to write reviews and social media posts, and drive traffic using AI-powered SEO tools. Potential earnings? Between $500 and $5,000 a month. Way number 4, selling AI-generated digital products. AI can help you create and sell digital products without any design skills. Think ebooks, digital planners, print-on-demand art, and more. The best AI tools for this: Leonardo AI or Midjourney for artwork, Canva AI for digital planners and templates, and ChatGPT for writing ebooks and guides. Potential earnings? Anywhere from $100 to $3,000 a month. Way number 5, AI stock trading and automation. AI can automate your investments. Stock trading bots can analyze data and make smart trading decisions for you. Check out these AI trading bots: TradingView AI for stock market insights, Crypto Hopper for crypto trading, and ChatGPT for finance for market analysis. Potential earnings here can vary: high risk, high reward. Before you go, here's a bonus money-making idea. Start a business offering AI-powered virtual assistant services for small businesses. Use AI to automate emails and customer support, manage scheduling and social media, and employ chatbots like ChatGPT API, ManyChat, or Jasper. Potential earnings here: $500 to $5,000 a month. So which AI money-making idea are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and tech videos. Outro screen plus subscribe animation.